Hello everyone, welcome to EIS Music Art Studio. This is Avi. In part 4 we will continue working on the leg. We will create the side view of the leg, so we don't need this annotate since this is the front view. So first just click on the annotate icon. Then go to Tool Node and press on the minus sign. Yes, let's make some modifications to the bottom of the legs. Select the following vertices, then lift them up to the new position. We will be working on the lower part of the body. So we don't need the upper part of the body. Now let's press 3 on your number pad to go to the side view. This is not what we want. So we are going to select this vertex. Press S, Y, 0. That's better. So let's do the back of it, the other side. Select this vertex, press S, Y, 0. And this is much better. Okay, go to front view. Select these vertices, but wait. Let's first add a loop cut to this area, right over here. Remember to press Ctrl R simultaneously. We will be working on the lower part of the body, so we don't need the upper part of it. After selecting it, press H to hide. Since we are going to be working on the side view, let me show you how to mark the parts of the legs to show where they are. We will be using these marks as a guide. So first, select these vertices, go to Edge, and mark seam. Then we want to know this part, where this part is, edge, and mark edges. We want to know where the needs are. So right here, this one, we probably can select this one as well. That's okay. Press edge and mark seam. And maybe this one in the bottom. We don't have to, but mark seam. Right, so now let's go through the several steps for drawing the side view of the leg. Let's practice. Let's go over here. This is the bottom of the leg right here, where the foot is. Then I want you to think about this line right here, like maybe like a straight line all the way up from here to there. Straight line. And then we have the top of the waist. This is where the waist is, right here. Here's where it's the butt is, or the button. The behind, we can call it the behind, right here. Then the other part over here. And we are going, after this, we're going to make a line parallel to this one here. Then we're gonna continue doing this part in a straight line. Let me mark this part right over here. So let's do the front of it. This one is the back of the leg. Now let's do the front of the leg. This one is a curve, just like this, and it goes over here. Now we in this part over here like this, let's do like a check mark that follow this line. There you go. And then this is where the knee is, and then we are going to go down right here and the foot. Let's start modeling. Okay, so we have these, and we know this is where the knee is, right there. This is the top of the waist, and this part over here is where the crotch is. See right there, that part right there. We need to know that, okay? Okay, let me erase this again. Okay, here's the bottom part of the leg where the foot is. Remember that straight line that comes from here to there? It's already there. It's like a blue line right there. That's fine. We can use that line. So here's where the knee is. See it right there, right over here. And we can put the waist. It's gonna be here. Here's the top of the waist, the top of where the here's the top where the waist is. Then we have this part, the behind of the character right there. This one is a little bit curved. Here is the thigh, the top of the thigh is a curve right here that go all the way to the knee right there. Then we have this line, and in here, just for you to remember, we can do a L just like that over here. See the L? And then you just put this together like this, and then straight line, another straight line right here, and this one is a triangle, and we are going to do another little triangle right there. See it right there? Another little triangle. Perfect. So we are ready to model this part. So the next thing that we need to do is, let's put this one down a little bit. And this one, we can put this one up a little. That's great. This one, let's put that one up a little too. What else? Okay, let's start pushing and following the R line. Let's push it in. Okay, let's take these right here. That's perfect. Let's take these two, push it in. Follow. Actually, we're just following this line over here. This one, This one here. That's perfect. This two right over here. This one in. This two in. Let's push that one in. This is good. And this one in. Now let's do the other side. Oops. Take this one. Let's take this one here. This one in. This one right here. Let's take this two and follow this line right here. But that's fine. Maybe this one out a little. Let's do this. Let's take this one, push it down a little bit more, right over here, and push this one right over here. Let me go here to see what I have. Okay, another thing that you can do is we can press Alt Z. Okay, with Alt C, we can be able to select the other side of it as well. Okay, yes, this one here, this one in. That's good. Perfect. And this one, let's put this one in a little bit. Put this one right there. Let's push this one in. And we are going to select this part, this face. Press Alt C again. We're going to select this face. We're going to press E to extrude. Then take this, press Alt Z, Alt C. Select these and down a little bit. That's good. I think I'm happy with that. Alt C. I think I'm happy with that. Let's go here. Let's erase this. And let's push this one out a little. Right there. And let's push this one in. Not so much. Think I'm happy with this. Now, to get rid of the marks, this one, what we need to do is let's select them like this. Go here, select all of it, press A to select all of it, then go to edges and clear seam, and they will be gone because we don't need it anymore. Perfect. We did the front view and the side view.